My name is Peyton Thorne, and this is my personal wellness plan. So, what exactly is a wellness plan? So, it consists of four main points: physical wellness, emotional wellness, social wellness, and spiritual wellness. What's important to note about a wellness plan is that it won't happen overnight. It's going to take some time to actually function, and it will require constant adjustment because as you grow as a person, you will need to adjust your plan accordingly. So, the first thing we're going to get into is physical wellness. For me, this is something I struggle with a lot. So, what I want to get better at is exercising, mainly cardio, and I want to start lifting weights to kind of tone my body out. A main one for me is eating healthier. I need to really eat more vegetables, more fruit, and I really need to have more water. Also, just get more sleep, and I'm gonna do that by trying to get to bed earlier. So, next we have emotional wellness, and emotional wellness is kind of hard to balance and hard to maintain sometimes. So, some ways I'm going to try and improve my emotional wellness is by finding ways to relieve my stress, whether that's talking about my feelings with my friends or my significant other, or if it's just taking time to de-stress by laying in bed for 5 minutes or by listening to music. I also want to take some me time. I want time for myself because one problem I always have is I always want to do things for other people rather than recognizing when I'm starting to get overwhelmed and when I need to take time to better myself. And then also I want to eliminate my stressors, which can be anything. It can be a person who is always stressing me out, just trying to eliminate these things from my life. Another one that I want to get better at is my social wellness. I want to do this by going out more. I really struggle with this. I am so antisocial. So I really want to try and go to more school events, concerts, whatever it would be. I want to try and make new friends. It's also something I struggle with, talking to new people when I'm at social events. It's very overwhelming for me, so I feel like in order to better my social wellness, I should try and step out of my comfort zone just a little bit. And then also, a main one for me is staying in touch with my family and keeping up on what's going on in their lives and asking them how they're doing as well. And finally, we have spiritual wellness, which is very important. For spiritual wellness, I want to get better by going to church every Sunday. I know sometimes I will skip it if I am feeling too tired, which is not good. So I want to be better at going every Sunday. I want to try and start going to praise and worship. I've only been once this year. I'd like to try and start going more. A new thing for me would be doing devotions. That's a new concept for me. I've never really dived into that before. So I'm hoping maybe I can start doing that, and then also praying more when I'm stressed out or when I need guidance. So this was my personal wellness plan. Thank you so much for listening.